Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today in this module, we are going to learn about the different methods of preparing partners capital account. Partnership is the relationship between two or more persons who have agreed to share the profits and losses of the business, which is carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. Partnership is governed by the Indian Partnership Act 1932. There are two methods for maintaining partners' capital account. They are fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. The term fixed means no change. Fixed capital accounts are also mean that the balance of capital accounts are not to be changed. They have to be kept at their initial balance. In this module, we are going to learn about fluctuating capital method. The word fluctuating means changing. So the balance of fluctuating capital accounts are allowed to increase or decrease. This is why all the items relating to capital accounts are recorded in the capital accounts itself, not the current accounts as in the case of fixed capital accounts. These items may be interest on capital, drawings, interest on drawings, profit or loss on revaluation of assets and liabilities, undivided profits accounts, and so on. Under fluctuating capital method, only one account, that is capital account of each partner, is maintained. All transactions are recorded in capital accounts. Generally, capital account has the credit balance, but in exceptional cases, it may have debit balance due to heavy loss or withdrawals. This is the format of partners capital account under fluctuating method. While preparing partners capital account, first transfer the opening balance on the credit side as by balance brought on. This is the opening balance of partners capital account. Sometimes partner may introduce or raise additional capital. In that case, enter that amount on the credit side as by cash account or bank account. Next step is to enter all the receipts of partner on the credit side. All the incomes or receipts of partners capital account are interest on capital, salary, commission, share of profit. Enter this amount on the credit side as by interest on capital, by salary, by commission, by profit loss appropriation account. After entering this transaction on the credit side, next step is to enter the other transactions on the debit side. Sometimes the amount of drawings given in the problem, enter that amount on the debit side as to drawings account. The next item to be recorded is interest on drawings. Enter that amount on the debit side as to interest on drawings. The next item is transfer the share of loss on the debit side, that is to profit loss appropriation account. After entering this transaction, find out the total on the credit side, then enter the same total on the debit side, then find out the closing balance. That closing balance or balancing figure is the closing balance of partners capital account. This is the important steps required for passing necessary journal entries in the partners capital account under fluctuating capital method. The capital account whose balance goes on changing is known as fluctuating capital method. The balance of capital may be negative or positive. The balance of fluctuating capital account changes from period to period. Partners' current account need not be prepared under fluctuating capital method. Under fluctuating capital method, only capital accounts are shown in the balance sheet. Thank you.